guys, and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to press that little subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to press that like button down below as well. Today's video is going to be my January BoxyCharm unboxing. This is the base box, the first BoxyCharm unboxing of the year. I'm super excited. I actually cannot wait for my premium box to get here because I know there's some good stuff in there. If you guys do have BoxyCharm and you did already receive your boxes, let me know down below, or as always in my DMs, what you guys got, how you like the products, and if you liked or got any of the stuff that I did. So we're actually just gonna jump right in to opening this box. Let's go. Of course, browser on. So let's go ahead and jump into the box. Alright, so let's jump into this box. This is the base box, and you guys know this one does go for $25. Alright, jumping into the box, I did already prime my eyes. I went in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. So the first thing we have in our box is going to be the Belly Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. This is essential oils of sweet orange and coconut. Gives this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma, and it's this one right here. With silky smooth consistency, sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. This does retail for $33. $33 for a lip balm. Next thing we have is the super exciting. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It is, let me show you this one right here. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. This retails for $38, and I'm super excited for this because I know Pharmacy is a really good brand. Hydrates your face without feeling greasy, reduces shine, clears pores of dirt and impurities, powerful moisture magnet, hyaluronic and polyglutamic acids, hydrates skin, and this is ideal for a combination to oily skin. Yes, thank you. Let's throw some of this on. I didn't even show you guys what it looks like. So the next item we have in here is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. It deeply hydrates. Peptide powder cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes. And this is for all skin types, and this does retail for $82. This is what it looks like. And I did already put some under my eyes. I just went like this, tapped it in, and I don't really notice a difference, but I mean, maybe after more uses I will. I feel like I'm a little darker than normal. Two more products. The next thing we have in here is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow palette, and this is a new launch from Ciate London, and it retails for $30. Right here. Here's our packaging, and let me go ahead and show you the inside. It does come with a big mirror, and look at how gorgeous. Let's go in with the neutral shade right here, that brown, and they don't have any names, but they look pigmented. That's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. went in with the style Luna. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. I'm gonna put on some foundation and we'll be right back with the last product in the box. So I was just talking to myself. I didn't press record. So I was saying for my foundation, I'm actually glad you guys can't see how bad it really looks because my skin is super dry right now, and I made the mistake of going in with a matte foundation. I did use the Natasha Denona Transform Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation, and I got it in the shade 30W. This was part of my add-ons for December. I also went in with the Natasha Denona Concealer and a same line, the matte one, in the shade 10N. This color was actually a lot better than the one that I purchased before, so that was a plus. But because my skin is super dry, going in with that matte foundation was not a good decision. I also didn't have to use any powder because of how matte it dries down to. I just used a little bit right under my eyes, and my skin is looking so dry. The last product that we're going to be using from the box is actually the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. These are these shades, and I'm going to go in with this one here. I swear bronzer is one of my favorite steps in makeup, just because, like, look at that. It just makes a world of a difference. Like a couple years ago, where was I without bronzer and without contour? This blends out so good, and they are extremely pigmented. A Jaclyn Hill highlighter. Dip back into the palette really quick, and using that little smudge brush, I'm gonna use the dark brown here. This is actually from the add-ons, so it is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, and seriously, perfect nude shade ever. Alright, let's just do a recap on the products that we got in our box today. So first thing, let's go in with the Bali Lip Balm. This is so good, and it really does hydrate your lips and taste good. It smells good. And after what, it's been about an hour and a half, this really hydrated my lips, and it makes them feel so good. This is going to be going into my purse, definitely. The Pharmacy moisturizer, I'm super excited to continue using this because I did feel that my face was hydrated at first before I, sucked all the hydration with that matte foundation. But oh, my lips feel so good. But this is a really interesting product, and I can't wait to continue using Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This one I want to use a little bit more and see if I, see a difference in my eyes and, puffiness, fine lines, all of that, and see if it really does work. The other thing, the Ace Beauty Bronzing Palette, this was so good. It seriously blended out amazing. Really seamless. The pigmentation was, seriously there. It is super pigmented, but still very easy to blend out. Is the Ciate London's palette. This is Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, and like I said, this is a new launch item for Ciate London, and this palette was really nice. I really like the shimmers. This one here, and let's say this glitter one was really pretty. I just wish they had more of a like pow. that is all the items. So the total for my January base box actually did come out to $213, which is a box I only paid $25 for. Now, like I always say, if you guys do not have BoxyCharm, what are you waiting for? It is a great subscription box, and you get beauty products, you get skincare products, you get hair, you get lifestyle, you everything, and it's an amazing subscription box. So definitely recommend. And if you guys are interested in getting it, then I do leave my referral link and my referral code down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. Was two more products that I did receive for my add-ons. I also got the Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, and this is one I actually cannot wait to try out. And I also have the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. This one, and is an all purple palette. So if you guys want to see a review or a tutorial with this palette, then please let me know. I actually really want to do that. That is going to be it for today. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to press that little like button down below. And if you are not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I did want to introduce a new member to our family. This is our new puppy. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah, you have a shimmy with makeup on. Our new little baby, and she is so adorable. Oh, I love her so much. Look at how tiny she is. Hi, little mama. Say hi. She has watery eyes, just like her mom. So this is our new little baby. Her name is Chili. No, don't look at the makeup. Her name is Chili. She is the best little puppy ever. Alright guys, we will go ahead and see you guys in the next one. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye, Chili. Bye. Bye. I didn't even mention this one's theme is a fresh start, which we all need in 2021. See? Let's start in February.